Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for science finals. Start by creating a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Don't wait until the last minute. Consistent, spaced-out study sessions are far more effective for long-term retention. Break down complex topics into smaller, manageable chunks. This approach prevents overwhelm and helps you build a solid foundation of knowledge. Remember, preparation is key to success. To truly grasp the material, engage in active learning. Instead of passively rereading, try to recall information from memory. This strengthens neural pathways and improves retention. Teaching a concept to someone else forces you to organize your thoughts and identify any gaps in your understanding. Also, working through practice problems is crucial. It helps you apply theoretical knowledge and become familiar with the types of questions you'll face on the final. Hey everyone, if you're finding these study tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, fueling your brain for those long study sessions is super important. That's why I recommend these fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep. They're perfect for keeping your healthy snacks and meals fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Visual aids are incredibly powerful for science. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing specific facts, while diagrams and concept maps help you see the bigger picture and how different ideas connect. Don't forget the importance of breaks. A 5-minute pause every 30 to 45 minutes can significantly boost your concentration and overall productivity. Staying hydrated and getting enough sleep are also vital for optimal brain function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.